What's up? What's up? What is up, guys? What's up? Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Ian? What is this boy Chris talking about? What is this? Nice. All right, Ian. I'm gonna look for my bias now. Bro, I want to make sure all my stuff is good because yesterday I didn't copy trade, which don't get me wrong, I'm happy because there's a loss. But I want to make sure it's copy trading to everything today. You can't do that, bro. Oh, it wasn't on purpose. Okay, we're chilling. Everything logged in today. We're logged in on the TPT. All right. All right. I'm going to pull up the stream here. Let me see this. Oh, yeah, we hit 1,500. I forgot about that. Let's go. What's up, Peanut? What's up, Thomas? Looking for longs? What's up, Carlos? I'm going to check that real quick. What the hell is wrong with my stream? Why is it not showing that? Okay, there we go. My thing was just looking weird. I'm going to check real quick. Market is not open yet, so I'm gonna do a quick bias real quick. I haven't checked anything. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I just woke up. Delivering off of an hour of a daily BPR. You knew that. Delivering off a daily BPR. Okay, guys. So that's bullish. Respecting the 4-hour gap. Disrespecting this 4-hour gap here. We closed above. Then continued up. Hourly. Slipped the low. Delivered off the gap. Disrespected this hourly. Continued up, took out this high. Disrespected this hourly. Continued up, took out some buy side. And now we're retracing back again into this hourly gap here. Damn, dude. Okay. Just pretty bullish here. In my opinion. We still have this buy side above. Yeah. Let's go, guys. 17 viewers. Let's run up the likes. We just got on here. We're at 5 likes already. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why'd you leave the call, bro? My friend left the call, dude. All right. So market open here. It's up to 1 hour BB. Oh, I don't really use breaker blocks, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we did, but not really the best at spotting breaker blocks, so I don't even try anymore. We just swept this low here. Tap into this gap. No, we didn't. We tapped into the one next to it. Just exited a short looking for a longination now. It's a longination. Looking for longs or shorts? Longs. Hello? Alright, I can hear you now. I don't know why I couldn't hear you. Were you not talking? Bruh, that's why you get it. Yo, I can't say that on stream. Alright, I'm gonna unmute you on stream. Alright. Like, I'm bullish here, but we don't have anything. Market up was kind of meh. What the hell? What the hell? How did I do that?
Said you're bullish right now?
Yeah. What does it look bearish to you?
No, I wasn't sure. This 4 hour closes below, maybe.
Looking for any SMTs up here. We don't have any SMTs at these highs. Four-hour reason? Oh yeah, yeah. I see what 4-hour you're talking about. Even if the hourly closes below, it'll probably be bearish here. But they both close at the same time, so. Oh, I still have my phone. I'll put another one. I'm gonna go for my water real quick. Alright, yeah, we haven't done anything. We're just chopping right now. Damn, dude. We're on Wednesday still chopping. We'll make the same mistake as yesterday. If we're chopping all day, then we're just not going to take anything. Or I won't take anything. I've been watching your videos for the last week. Passed my prop in 3 days. Thanks. No problem, bro. Omar. Yeah, I'm looking for longs. What's the link to my Discord? It's on the YouTube. Or it'll be in the bio of the stream, or the description of the stream. No problem. This 1 hour and 4 hour might not close below. This is so slow, dude. Market open didn't even do anything. Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hope that this 4 hour closes below. I kind of hope we go bearish here or something,
Think
dude.
so?
Yeah, because if we were delivering cleaner out of that, like, look at how we kind of like dumped through the
Yeah.
4 hour. I would have preferred like a cleaner delivery off of it. Kind of just dumping through it. Wait till 10 kind of day. Yeah, to be honest. I feel like by 10:30 you can, like, for the most part, tell if it's a no trade day. Oh my gosh, it even looks horrid on the 32nd. Imagine being in this trade. Oh, you're talking about this long? Yeah. This would be like a headache to be in right now. We're at 7 likes, guys. Can we get 3 more? Hit 10? Shut up, Ian. Shut up, Ian. Ian, shut up. ES is moving. Time to trade ES. Bro, ES is had a move 931 at market, like right after market open, and has been chopping since. It's just moving, slowly moving up, and this one's slowly moving down. They're both chopping, bro. Bro, they're pretty much the same right now. I'm not gonna lie. ES is doing this, just like slowly working its way up like this. Then NQ is just doing this, going nowhere. So I feel like they're both pretty much the same. If you looking at the 1 minute, it's kind of cooked. Go on the 5 minute and pretend it's the one. I did that yesterday and took a loss. Right, Ian?
Yep.
He said ignore the 1 minute, go the 5 minute. It doesn't look as bad.
We still got lows.
Yeah, we hit the 15-minute BPR here. Took out the low at the 15-minute BPR here. But this is chopped, bro. We didn't even put in a 30-second gap. Maybe we did. We put in this tiny 30-second gap here. This is just so chopped, bro. Okay, I'm gonna put in a 1 minute. This is still so cooked, bro. ES and NQ are really uncorrelated right now. I know, dude. I don't even know what we're doing. The move might be to wait for macro. Inverse 15-minute BPR clear bias, in my opinion. Yeah, that and the 4 hour. Yeah. So this BPR might hold. So we'll also watch him to see if we inverse the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So we'll see. We have a possible setup here. I'm really not sure if I like it that much though. And you see the 1 minute?
Yeah. You're not sure if you like it. Not a good sign.
Shut up. I'm not really sure if I like it because of the chop. Don't get me wrong, the bias is still bullish, delivering off a 15-minute BPR. And my phone alarm is going off in another room. And they're so uncorrelated right now, dude. I need to turn off all my alarms, bro. Bro, I had alarms on my phone all the way from 8 to 10, bro, every 15 minutes.
From 8 to 10?
Yeah, 8 to 10 every 15
What time
minutes.
did you go to sleep?
What do you mean? I woke up to them. I just turned them off. I turned the TV off, turn the TV off, turn the TV off, turn the TV off. And I only watched one episode of Fire Force when I got off. And then I laid in my bed and watched Among Us. Bro, I was watching, bro, I put my girl onto Minecraft Hunger Games. Stampy Minecraft Hunger Games, bro. Ian, you mess with Stampy? Stampy Minecraft
Yeah.
Hunger Games? I had a friend in elementary school who beefed with Stampy because
Bro, no one watched the Stampy Hunger Games, bro. We all watched the Stampy like Let's Plays.
I watched
You
the
remember when
Hunger.
Stampy went to space, bro?
Yeah, and then everyone found out it was just like a fake video because they built the rocket ship and everything, and then he like what was it? He like photoshopped the background to make it like change or like use Premiere Pro or After Effects or whatever to make it look like he was going to space. Yeah, so no reaction off the BPR.
You're
How
close
does
to
it
the New
look?
York lows, PM lows, which is that's a pretty
Yeah, I marked it out for my sell side right now.
pretty strong liquidity there.
We're about to put in a 3 minute for the highest time frame.
Yeah. Would you want to take out PM lows first?
Well, we didn't even close below the 15 minute on the 3 minute chart. We're still holding the 15 minute. So we wouldn't necessarily have to. But no 4 minute. Four minute will be the highest time frame here. Yes, long off of iFVG right now. I'm in that right now, bro. Okay. I'm assuming the 1 minute. This guy's over trading like crazy. He took a short earlier and won, and now he just gave it back. Ian,
Yeah.
look at my screen share. He took a short earlier and won pre-market, and then just took this and just gave it back. Bro,
Yikes.
that's not really a good setup. I don't know why you would do that. TP hit the wicks. What? What are you talking about? No trade so far? Yeah, no trade so far. Everything's coming down. I don't understand what you mean. ES long iFVG right now. What TP hit? I don't know if you're looking for a negative risk reward, but I don't see a TP there. Honestly, we're getting really close to the sell side here. I really feel like we're going to hit this, to be honest. I really wouldn't want to long back into this. Not now, anyways. No trade so far. Yeah, no trade so far. Oh, we're at 50 viewers again. Let's go. We hit this yesterday. Might just have to wait for 4-hour candle to open. See some actual volatility. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe waiting for 10 a.m. We get an open, low, high close for longs. But If we close below, I'm not gonna lie. If we close below this 4 hour, I'm gonna be bearish here. So I would switch to being bearish here. Do I ever trade gold, and what do I think about it? No, you just say stop loss. Yeah. And what do you think about it? No, I don't. I've never traded gold, so I'm not really sure. But it seems like we're gonna close below this BPR here. The 4 hour, the 1 hour, just very, very bearish signs here. So we're probably gonna switch our bias to bearish. We have some sell side below. We have London low, Asia low. Yesterday, PDL. Just his stop loss. Can you check if 1 minute was a good setup? What 1 minute? No, then 1 minute was not a good setup. That 1 minute, if you look at it, we did 2 minute up here. Okay, so we didn't deliver. Oh my gosh, dude. What the fuck? Okay, so we didn't deliver off this 2 minute, but we did deliver. We had a 3 minute here that held. We had no, didn't touch the 4 minute, but 3 minute held. It was not the highest time frame. It was not the highest time frame, so your entry was right into a 3 minute gap. So in 30-second, don't hate the player. I'm not hating the player, dude. In the 30-second, this one still wouldn't have won. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you talking about this one?
Is it like pre-market though?
I still wouldn't. I don't. Number one, I don't trade ES because ES just looks like trash. And B, that's still not really a good setup. Anyways, I don't really care, dude. Not a lot, just like a couple thousand. About 5 minute. Yeah, self-funded. Yeah, 5 minute. The 15 minute didn't close below. And now it seems like we're going to close back above this 5 minute. Don't really know if I like this. Entering off of this 5 minute. I'll probably just use this 5 minute for like a confirmation that we're bullish here. How long into the hourly closes? Some more than one funded. Yeah, use more
I would
than
have
one
wanted to take
funded.
out PM lows before taking longs here, even after the 5 minute closes, if it gets a close above.
Yeah. Yeah, what do you use to place trades on more than one account? Trade Sinker. Yeah, I'm still gonna wait to see about this close here in the higher time frame. I'll watch this setup. I'll forward test this, but I'm not taking this because we don't have a clear draw.
But what if you're missing out though? What if this is the payout?
I still have a minimum amount of days I need to get before getting a payout, so because I just took one. Let's go. We got the
Oh,
10
market
likes. Let's
opens
go.
terrible. It's moving a little more now, but still.
Yeah. I just want to wait to see the hourly close. We also still haven't seen if we close below the 15-minute here. Possible to connect to FTMO? I'm not sure. I don't use FTMO because I don't trade Forex. But we have no news today. We have nothing to even help us out today. We have pretty good news for tomorrow, 8:30. Then we have 8:30 on Friday as well. We have the regular unemployment tomorrow that we always have on Thursdays. And we have prelim at the same time, which could actually help us get pretty decent. Pretty decent move there. And then 8:30 on Friday, we have PCE. We have orange folder 10 a.m. on both the days, but I'm pretty sure there's used to be red folder. So I'm not sure. Ian. There we go. Ian? All right, I can hear you. Ian, say something. All right, I can hear you good. Ian, you see what I sent you? Switching bias, we only have 1 more minute for 1 hour close. Yeah, we're gonna see about this one. Oh, 1 hour just closed. Sorry. 15 seconds late. My bad, guys. 4 hour close below. 1 hour close below. 15-minute did hold, but oh my gosh, this is going up. What are we doing? You're in? No, I'm not in. Bro, you would see my executions. Why do some people come in and ask some like weird questions? Like, don't get me wrong, I'm not like mad, but like, No, I'm not in. You would see my executions of my position. I'm just watching this setup, dude. Sorry. We weren't chopping at the beginning of the macro, were we? We moved for a second, but it just seems like they both want to go in different directions. Like ES is going up, NQ is going down, and it's causing them to chop because they're like dragging each other in opposite directions. Let me see what you guys said. This price choppy as hell. No, I'm not in this, bro. No, I'm not in this. This guy lacks faith. Me? Yellow folder ain't gonna do nothing game. Yeah, no. Oh, are you talking to Aiden? SMT, I'm not sure. You in this? No, I'm not in it. This is just boring. Oh. Price clears up a little bit later, then I'll be fine with taking something, but this is just so choppy right now. Yeah. Ian, are you looking? Ian. Ian. Do you think that it's better to take a bigger move with partials or smaller move with same R? Say smaller move with same R, so you're not sitting there all day. He's not in it? No, I'm not in this, dude. Go for my water. No, this is a horrible setup. Obviously, horrible setups still have the possibility to play out, so it's like this could still work, but like these market conditions are just not it right now. I mean, we closed below the 4 hour, closed below the 1 hour. Obviously bearish. 5 minute inverse is delivering off the 15 minute after closing below the hourly and 4 hour. So higher time frames showing us bearish. Price is just chopping. Look at this. We're just chopping everywhere. We are at where we were like 40 minutes ago. Can you explain why the 5 minute iFVG is not valid? I just did. We inverse the hourly. Price is just obviously bearish here. Inverse the hourly. Inverse the 4 hour. It's obviously bearish here. I'm about to hop off, so don't place a trade in this PA. Facts, dude. I'm just doing the stream, bro. I'm just on here to stream at this point. I'm not doing what I did yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, Jackie. I was low-key thinking about it a little bit. Obviously, I wasn't letting it affect me that I missed 2 trades on Monday, right? I wasn't letting it like affect me. And I wasn't really mad about it. I was like, I'll get a trade tomorrow or the day after, whenever. And like a little bit after, like after I got off yesterday with the loss, I was like, damn, if I was green Monday, I probably wouldn't have taken this because I would have been like, well, I'm not taking a trade this mid when I caught such a banger trade yesterday. I'm not gonna risk that capital on this trade. And I really feel like it subconsciously affected me. Cause I wasn't like, oh, I need a trade. I didn't feel like that. You know what I mean? Do I trade PM session? No. What's up, manipulation expert? Yeah, bro. All of these like liquidity is already taken on ES. Remember, I had to take the last one on ES as well. Ian. 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 Bro, why is this guy not talking? Ian. Bro. I can't even FaceTime him because I put my phone in the other room. Dude, what is wrong with this kid, bro? Bro. All right, so we're close to sweeping buy side on ES. And we are about to tap into an hourly gap on NQ, so we could get a possible short here with our bearish bias. Because we would form an SMT. Maybe even with Asia highs, maybe we run Asia highs into the hourly gap on NQ. If price action stays like this, I mean, let me check the 1 minute. Yeah, the 1 minute's looking better now. If it stays like this, then we could get a good setup. But it would have to stay like this. If it starts chopping again, then no. Okay, take Asia high just so we take everything on it on ES. Come on, take Asia high. We took out buy side, so that's a just still a fat SMT with the external. We didn't tap into the hourly gap yet though. So not exactly what I would want to see for shorts here. Kind of hoping we tap into this hourly gap here. I want us to keep this PA that we're having though. All right, and we're just gonna go through the hourly gap here, maybe. Bro, Ian, look. Let me check chat real quick. Am I in this? No, I wasn't in anything. ESTP. Nice, bro. Nice trade. No, I didn't take anything. Manipulation expert. We have S&T thighs. Bro, Ian. What is going on with this, dude? Ian, what are you doing? No way you didn't take this. Most free longs. Most free longs, bro. 4 hour inversed. Hourly inversed. Those not the most free longs from PB. I did learn some from them. No, you didn't take this. Can you explain your concept briefly? Inverse for liquidity sweep delivery off of fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. Just an inverse fair value gap model. But yeah, Wilts X, bro. I don't know what you mean most free longs. I mean hourly inversed, 4 hour inversed. Take 2 minute. I preferred this one off market open more, to be honest. This one, but it would have been break even. Like here. Take 2 minute, you're out. 2 minute. You took 2 minute long. I don't know. I don't like anything today. It was just horrible. Did you take that 5 minute long? So it was feeling much conviction, bro. That 5 minute long is just like horrible. I mean, if you took it, that's fine, right? Targeting this 15 minute unfilled, or what is this? This is the hourly unfilled, right? And then we got news in 10, bro. That's yellow folder, dude. That does not matter. If you took this, that's fine, bro. But then when you saw that 4 hour close below, dude, if you stayed in that, I don't know, like, bro, like, this one's just horrible. Seeing the price action, bro, and then going to the 5 minute, right? You see this. We inverse the hourly. We close below the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Just horrible. Like, very, very bearish, dude. Did you recap 3-minute long? There was no reason to take any longs today, I feel like. Let me see. Check his Discord. Didn't take this on live, only eval. He only took it on eval, bro. Like what? There's a reason he only took it on eval, dude. Even though something like this works, I lost confidence, to be honest, with this August PA. Exactly, bro. We inversed the hourly and the 4-hour and horrible price action. He didn't take it on his live account for a reason, because stuff like that doesn't always work. Inverse for value gap off the 15-minute. You're talking about this last 15-minute? It was low probability. 1 point knowing too much and seeing too much hurts your trading. Sure, bro. That's why you over traded today and you've taken like 4 setups already. Just because they work one day doesn't mean they're going to work the next. Trust me, I went through that exact thing. I had to go through it in order to talk about it. You will be better off taking 1 or 2 trades a day max. Really horrible. I didn't take that. Yeah, dude. Bro, the reason Dodgy's profitable is because he didn't take that on a live account, dude. Like, if he were to take that every time, bro, the 20% win rates still have their 20% wins. 3 trades means over trading to this guy, Lord. Bro, do you not know anything? Go to any profitable trader. Go to Moore, TJR, Blake, Patty. Who's that other guy on TikTok that I see, bro? I mean, you know, like, bro, any trader will tell you. Oh, I just got water on my keyboard. Any trader will tell you that, dude. You're gonna look like an idiot on my YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. If you're saying I look stupid for TJR's revenge trading, TJR's not revenge trading, dude. Maybe he doesn't care as much about his trades anymore because he's so rich. Probably doesn't care too much about his trading anymore because he's so rich now, dude. 5-minute long was so free, dude. The profitable trade, like one of the most profitable traders I know, Dodgy didn't even take it. He took it on a eval. We took the 3-minute on eval. 5-minute was not the most free thing, dude. Bro's just ignoring the highest time frame. Names influencers? Yeah, because there's some of the profitable traders I know. One trade was pre-market chance, so don't hate. I'm not hating, bro. What steez, bro? What are you even talking about? Just because I don't trade pre-market that much. I'm just saying, bro. You'll have one green day and then you'll have a shit day where you lose 3 trades in a row. I went through that. I'm not hating. I'm literally just giving you advice. Kind of A setup, bit bias, was a little unclear. Dude, we closed below the hourly. They're trolling. Why are you explaining yourself for a trade you didn't like? Because I'm explaining to them, like, over a higher time, like, the longer time. Like, no, bro. I'm so brain rotted with trading, I was going to say higher time frame. On the higher time frame, it's not going to be profitable. Just because there's one day where a shitty setup works, like, shitty setups still have their win rate. I was a fan made supporting everywhere my steez is being hated. Sure, bro. Sure. Sure. That's why your name is Peanut and you're in my comment section. You're giving me views and giving me AdSense money. So we pumped up, and it seems like price action might be bad to being trash or back to being trash. They're just chopping again here. Bro, I'm sorry, bro. Taking 3 trades with this chop today is like insane to me, dude. I don't get it. Look at this. I was the first here. I had noties on. I already know that, dude. TS is so annoying when people take a shit trade and it plays out and they start talking shit like it'll play out every. That's what I'm saying, bro. They don't see what I see, bro. I have a Renegon, bro. They don't see what I see, bro. Yo, Ian. 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 Oh. What are you doing? I'm changing my camera battery right now. I don't think we're gonna get anything today, to be honest. Price action was moving decent for a minute, but so we do have a mech model right here. Don't really know if I want to take a mech model with this PA. SMT at the highs, delivery off the gap. And the mech model already failed once here. Wait, did it even close below? It did close below. Failed right here, but I don't know if I want to take this though. Could have been like just 1R in here. It would pretty much be the same thing here, but I don't know if I want to take this. This one would be better R, but this price action, bro, we got the pump up because ES wanted to take out highs, so NQ got dragged along with it, and now we're just chopping again. I'll forward test it if we get it. So we put in a OB here, but it's a horrible price action, dude. Ian, you see the 1 minute? You mess with this or what? I don't really like it with this price action. I'm gonna watch it though. Bro, where the hell is Ian? He's on my. I don't know, bro. He just doesn't talk. Bro, you just don't respond, bro, when I'm trying to talk to you. Can you hear me? All right. Stream can hear you. Stream can hear you. Nice. Chat, can you guys hear him? Justin, tell me if you can hear him. I don't want the short, maybe 0.25 risk. Nah, dude, I'm not taking anything today, bro. This price is horrible, dude. No, you can't hear him.
What?
3 days in a row with bad PA. Monday was pretty good, though. Monday was pretty good. I feel like I wouldn't have taken the trade yesterday, to be honest, if I'd caught that trade Monday. And I feel like it was like a subconscious thing. I'm not gonna lie, because I wasn't going into the trade with into the day with the intentions of taking a trade because I missed something Monday.
I need a trade so bad.
Do you really, Ian?
No, it was you.
No, bro, that was not me, bro. You guys
It
can
was
go on
you. You were like,
yesterday's
bro, I
stream.
need a trade.
Bro, guys, go into yesterday's stream and look at the video where I posted yesterday's loss, and you'll see it, bro. No, I did not, bro. Yeah, bro. Chance completely agrees with me. I'm looking at the chat now. There's more chats here on the studio thing than on the actual. I don't know why. Somebody said 3 trades means over trading to this guy, Lord. And I was like, bro, what are you talking about? And then someone was like, 3 trades into market open is a lot, LMAO. Yeah, no, dude. 3 days in a row, bad PA, annoying. Monday was pretty good. There was 2 wins on Monday. But I didn't catch either of them. That's why I feel like maybe I wouldn't have taken that trade yesterday if I had already been green on the week. I don't think I would have wanted to risk my green on something like that. We'll watch this. We get it. What's this? Oh, what the hell did I just do? Yo, Ian, what the hell? Okay, we're going to inverse this here. And it didn't close below, dude. This is horrible price action, bro.
Yeah, no.
This is so bad. Bro, I told you after seeing the macro chop like that, price is pretty much guaranteed to just be horrible. Ian, you want to trade PM today?
Maybe.
When AM's trash, normally PM's better. There was a pretty good inverse for value gap setup yesterday in PM too.
You're not going to the gym?
No, today's my rest day. I'm gonna do the sun. Not the sun. I'm gonna do the cold plunge and my cardio. But
why is your rest day on a Wednesday?
It's just 4 days on, 1 day off.
Oh, I thought you were doing 6 on, 1 off.
No. I'm not taking it because of chop facts, bro. We learned our lesson yesterday, and the last loss I took before that. The last 2 losses I took were literally because of chop, bro. And it's my fault. I'm not gonna be one of those people that comes on here and they're like, I just got chopped out, bro. It's not my fault. No, it wasn't my fault. This is exactly like yesterday. Facts, dude. People blame the loss on chop, and yes, the chop could be the reason your trade lost, but it's still your fault. You hit the buttons. I did previous 1 minute, got stopped at TP at the 15-minute, break even on the 1 minute. Previous 1 minute. What 1 minute? You're talking about this one? Yeah, dude. There was a 3 minute that held. There was no reason for you to take that. 3 minute gap here. So you can see it delivered off the 3 minute when you entered, manipulated back down, delivered off the 3 minute, and then came up, inversed it, and continued up. Now that the 3 minute was still trash, and the 5 minute there, because we inversed the 4 hour, proving bearish order flow on the higher time frame, giving us bearish bias and everything. So the idea for longs was cooked after we inversed the hourly and the 4 hour. Along the short, you were looking there. It was good delivery from the 15 minute. Okay. Yeah, I just didn't like it because of chop, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This AM session's been all choppy, and I just didn't like it because of that. You're talking about the mech model, looking for the retrace of this 5 minute. The hourly inverse had an awful close. That's not really an awful close. It closed way below. Same with the 4 hour. SMT, yeah, we've been having SMTs at the highs, dude. I haven't marked out, don't worry. See, it's marked out right there. But We didn't take out that hourly low at least. Yeah, we were too close to sell side as well on top of that. And we have another mech model possibility here with this SMT. iFVG being this tiny one. Again, horrible PA. Please don't take this. Or take it if you want to. I can't force you to do anything. Because you'll...
I mean, the past few minutes, it looks like it's been moving a little better, but still, it's not good.
What? Whoa. Ian. Let's be
Bro,
honest,
compared to how it was,
Look
bro,
at
it's
look at
still
from
terrible.
1020. Look at from 1020.
I know, it's not good. I'm hoping we're getting some sort of momentum, though.
No, we're not getting anything, dude. I'm not taking anything to maybe PM. Looks good, no re-entry though, because it broke out of accumulation. Broke out of accumulation, bro. This looks like just chop, bro. So if anything, it looks more like accumulation to me. The only thing that had me bullish was ES closed above the hourly. Let me see. ES closed above which hourly? Talking about this, like we didn't inverse it, you mean? Or what? They're just so uncorrelated today, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, inverse, yeah. But ES was bullish all morning. Like I literally said ES looks bullish and Q looks bearish. Shorting Solana. This guy's gonna go into his 4th trade today. Let's go, guys. Let's see if we inverse this with an OB. Okay, we invert. No, we didn't. We closed on it. Yo, this is such bad price action. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing? About to put in a 15-minute right here. Still didn't trade though. Yeah. Bro, like, see, bro, we get that, like, a little momentum there, and then we just make a wick. Watch us not even inverse it here. And we opened below. Watch this be a bullish candle. Oh, dude, no way. Okay.
So enter. Bro, enter.
Everybody enter. Everybody enter right now.
It's not financial advice. Order filled.
Order filled. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Bro, why did I hear myself echo in your mic?
I don't know, bro, because I'm on my phone.
Bruh. Yo. So if you are in this, go break even. And that would be TP
Bro,
there.
oh.
Dude, but there's, oh my gosh. There's no way anybody would have been able to predict that, so. But
I
yeah.
predicted it, bro. I said get in.
Bro, no, you did. Bro, you were being
Said
sarcastic.
enter.
That's why I said no, not financial advice.
Bro, it's not financial advice, but it doesn't mean
That
I
actually-
can't, like...
That actually looked like a no. That actually looked like a news channel, bro. When it just dumped out of nowhere. It's kind of crazy.
Yo, chat, say I was here.
But I feel like someone's I feel like someone's actually gonna get FOMO over that.
But I am.
No way, you're actually no way you're
I'm just
getting
kidding.
FOMO over that.
That was just funny, bro.
I was expecting it to continue chopping, bro.
That was kind of funny.
1 second shorts were so free. Facts, bro. 1 second shorts are actually so gas there, dude. Let's look
Maybe
at the
that's
1
why
second.
bro's on his 5th trade today. He's taking the 1 second shorts.
Bro, look actually, bro, look at the 1 second shorts, bro. So gas, dude. Why didn't we just enter here? Like, dude, stop loss at the high. Into there. Dude, this would have been such a perfect short, dude. Bottom tick. Crazy, dude. This PA is weird. Like I said earlier, guys, when I saw the price action like horrible at the beginning, I already like knew I probably wasn't gonna take anything for the rest of the day. And ES already took all the buy side, so there's nothing to long to here either. Delivering off this 15-minute in this 5-minute. I think someone's actually gonna get FOMO over that. Today's just like a forward test kind of day. I hope we get a good day this week at some point. Mm. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not in this. This is just way too high in premium to take. At this point, we're just watching, bro. But imagine we end the week red. This would be my first red week in a long time.
You said way too high in premium?
Yeah. And we already ran all the buy side on ES. There's nothing to target.
Yeah.
We ran literally everything. There's nothing to target. We ran London high and Asia high. But that was one of the most choppy entries I think I've ever seen. I feel like there was no reason to take that short. It's literally like a copy and paste of the last two losses that I've taken. There was literally a loss of the exact same trade right before it too, so. This is the first time in a while though I've gotten bias wrong. Like the draw on liquidity. Seen that hourly inverse?
Bullish.
I was bullish at market open because we were inside the hourly and 4 hour, but then we inversed it, so it's bearish.
Yeah, when we inversed.
Yeah. Kind of a meh day. Meh day. Alright, I've got my phone now. Because I'm not taking anything. Holy crap. My watch hours are through the roof, dude. I'm at 1100 this month so far. Bruh. Dodgy posted, good educational moment. This is PA where I will size super heavy. It is high confident chop, so I'll be tripling my size today.
Bro, what?
Posted that on Twitter. Just flipped a coin going short. All right, bro. Bro, do you like your own posts?
What post? Bro, I don't post anything.
Bruh.
I know you do, bro. You log in on all your alt accounts, bro.
No, I only like
Right,
it
you
on. I
post.
only like it on the one I posted on, bro. OnlyFans model exposes Lil Baby and Lil Yachty alleging they slept with her, and that Lil Baby even allegedly paid off her car to be with her. Damn. Yo, do I trade on the 30 seconds? Sometimes, yeah. Bro, Ian.
What?
Lil Baby paid off a girl's car to be with her.
I wish I were a woman, bro. I'm like easy mode.
Bro, she posted it on Instagram Reels, a screen recording scrolling through their texts. Alleging they slept with her and that Lil Baby paid off her car to be with her. That's insane. That's crazy. Bro, what? Sophie Rand showed how much she made in the last year. You remember how much was it last year that she said she made? Like 40 million?
40 million?
She made 83 million in the last
Bro,
year.
what?
She went on David Dobrik's like YouTube channel and showed it. Dude, that's insane, bro. What the hell? Dude, that's insane. That's actually insane. Yeah, nothing today, guys. Now, was it wrong about the chop, bro? We're still chopping, dude. We had one candle. That would have been your lucky candle to hit TP there after taking the loss on the first one. Right here. This inverse.
I knew it. You should have entered when I told you, bro. Chat, who caught that with me?
You didn't take that.
I called
You
it
didn't
out.
take that.
I just signaled it.
I know you didn't take that, bro. Bro made sure to add the not financial advice. After saying it too. That's crazy, dude. Guys, if you are in here, make sure you guys go to wait. How many likes are we at? We're at 14. That's not bad. Make sure you guys go to the bio, join the Discord. I mean, it's in the description of the video too. Join the Discord. It is free. Just making sure I say everything before I kind of get off here. The one script's connected to this. Okay, good. No trades today. This is the same. The trades we took today, or that we didn't take today, is the same type of trade we took yesterday that lost. And the last two trades that I've lost, the last two losses I've taken, were trades exactly like today. Okay, so and don't get me wrong, it's not my last two trades were losses, but the last two losses I have taken were wait no, not the mech model. That was just a good setup. It just lost. It was like one of the losing ones. But my last two bad losses, right, were 2 out of my 3 last losses were chop setups. And that's why I didn't take any of these today. You can see there was a loss because of chop right here. Right, this one lost. There was a winning setup here in the chop. And then we had someone took this 1 minute, which that 1 minute, and it was technically invalid because of the 3 minute there. This one right off a market open was not the worst, but we literally chopped right after we entered into it, so it would have been like break even here. Just gonna do a little review real quick before I get off here. Yeah, break even would have been there. Just for the most part, I mean, we almost came into sell side, didn't take it, so I wasn't really wanting longs without taking it. Delivered off the BPR cleanly, but we inversed the hourly and the 4 hours, so clear bearish bias here, and then we just kind of reversed off of it instead of dumping like we're supposed to. After closing below the hourly and the 4 hour, and I'm assuming it was ES that pulled it up because ES was looking bullish, NQ was looking bearish, and ES just pulled us up with it. So sometimes it'll go the other way and Q will pull it down with it, but I was just sticking to my bias, following my rules, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. What's up, Yassine? Bro, Ian, I've drank like 2 or 3 full Gila mixes of water since I started stream.
Good job, bro. That's how you stay hydrated.
Wait, guys, I'm about to send a poll to chat. I want you guys to all answer this honestly. Don't troll. All right. Everybody answer this poll honestly. Let's see. I should have put the poll in when we had like a bunch of people. But and you see the poll I sent to chat.
Yeah.
I want you to put your entry into the poll. I'm gonna probably do some more things like this because YouTube you can do polls and stuff. I don't know. I don't really have any reason to use polls to be honest, but I mean I could do polls for people's biases, just like put like bullish, bearish at the beginning of the stream. I've never used the poll thing before. It's kind of cool. What other things do I have? I could do a Q&A, answer viewer questions live. Isn't that the first point of chat? Damn, looking like that 3 minute cooked. Yeah, but the person who posted the 3 minute, which was dodgy, literally said he didn't take it. He only took it on eval because it just wasn't like good price action. Bias was bearish. I mean, a very clear bearish price, in my opinion. But yeah, anyways, it's 11 now. Now I saw lifetime way too choppy. Yeah, facts. I saw I mean, like the 5 minute you could have taken, right? You could have taken the 5 minute, but like even if I was in that 5 minute, once I saw that the hourly closed below, I 100% would have moved stop to break even. Will the Discord lives be free or no? No, no, I didn't send you an ad, Ian. My mouse isn't even over there. But will the Discord lives be free or no? When I move the lives to the Discord, no. It would be like a monthly thing. But right, you don't have to worry about that for now. We're gonna stay on here for now. But when we do move the lives to the Discord, there'll be more than that. We'll do like study sessions on the weekends. Like we'll do like a weekly review or something like that. We'll do like, I don't know. I'll come up with like some cahoots or something we could do in it. And then I'll do like a daily bias. And then I'll do like, I'll record stuff. Like if we do like a study session, I'll record it and I'll put it in like a channel where you guys have access to it. Just things like that. But that'll be once we started. Dude, this price action is horrible, dude. That short was gambling. Okay, but yeah, you don't have to worry about it for now because we're not doing that yet. Jackie, I'm not sure yet. But I'll definitely have a discount for the first like set amount of people to join. Like kind of like a founder's price, I guess. So you get like a discount like forever. Like you get a discount forever. So it's like you stay at that price. So even when I raise it in the future, like you wouldn't get changed to a different price. I'm thinking I started at 25, but shorts could cook if we inverse the 1 minute. Yeah, shorts could cook if we inverse this 1 minute too, right? Shorts could cook if we inverse this 1 minute earlier. Or maybe this 1 minute. Or maybe this 1 minute. To an already filled for ready, yeah. Ready yet. I'm done. I'm gonna get off. Pretty trash day today, to be honest. I'm profitable with Dodgy's model, but low-key want to join a smaller community. I didn't really like the way Dodgy like trades because his stuff is so subjective sometimes. Like he'll teach about doing like higher entering on the higher time frame and then he'll enter on a lower one. But I know he says the most obvious, but it's just sometimes he'll be like, "Oh, I just knew this was gonna work" or something. So sometimes I just don't like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's an amazing trader. It's just when I was trying to learn from him, it was just kind of hard. But don't get me wrong, he's an amazing trader. I don't like the one from 1019. Maybe, dude. But we got a 5 minute there and a 15 minute there, dude. Yeah, like Jackie. Oh, my computer ran out of storage, so it stopped recording. I don't want you to think I have any beef with him. He's like an amazing trader and everything. But like, yeah, I just learning from him was kind of hard, just because of how subjective he is sometimes. Which him being subjective like that is what makes him a profitable trader, but it's just hard to learn that sometimes. From the Discord anyways, because I was in his Discord for a little bit. Maybe like a mentorship, which is going to be a lot more expensive than obviously the joining this Discord, but yeah. Maybe his mentorship would teach you more about his like subjective stuff, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Good stream today. We avoided some losses. And then there was a break even that we didn't take as well. Is take profit trader worth it? Yeah. The daily payouts are nice. Says he just knows it's going to happen and it plays out.
Yeah, we're almost at 20 likes.
Are we almost at 20 likes? Bro, we're 3 away. I'm not going to stay on here till we hit 20 likes. And the pull there. And yeah, let's go. Good stuff today, guys. Sucks we didn't catch any trades. Sucks we didn't get anything. I would have taken that 5 minute if we had a more clear bullish bias, but unfortunately we didn't have that today, and it worked out, which is fine. But like, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get off. No way, the stream is dying down, and we're still at 20 viewers. We were at like 50 earlier. That's crazy, dude. We've been growing so much. It's insane. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, and I'll see you guys.